Hi everyone. I want to give you an example of a story time for your children. Now, since we are doing distance learning, online learning, it's a good idea that even though you don't have children, that you are still open and you are still servicing your children with a lot of the things that you do. So if you have a story time, perhaps in the morning, the afternoon, or maybe in the evening, you can do this with the children and they will love it. And make sure that you interact with them just as if they were there. So I'm going to give you an idea, an example of what we're going to do. Let's get started. Hi, John. Hi, Timmy. Hi, Grace. Hi, Sue. Hi, everyone. It's time for story time. All right. Yes. Now, is everybody seated and in your seats? Wait a minute. I see something. Does anybody see it? What do you see? A tree? What's a tree doing here in our classroom? I don't know. What's going on with this tree? Well, it has letters? Yeah. And it has, what else is going on with that tree? What is this? A coconut? Wow. So, what is a coconut tree with letters doing in our classroom? Could we be reading about a coconut tree or letters? Could we be singing the alphabet? Hmm, let's see. What is this? This is a favorite of everyone's. Let's see. Chicka, chicka, boom, boom. I wonder what that means. And this book is by Bill Martin Jr. and John Archambault. And the illustrator is Louise or Lois Ehlert. Yes. So let's see what's going on with this tree. But wait a minute. Look at that. That looks just like the tree that's in our classroom. Let's see what's going on. Let's see. Chicka chicka boom boom. Chicka chicka boom boom. Look at that. There's that same tree. Wow. I wonder what's going to happen. A told B and B told C, I'll meet you at the top of the coconut tree. Wow. Let's see. A, B, and C, they're all ready to go. We, said D to E, F, G, I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka chicka boom boom. Will there be enough room? Here comes H up to the coconut tree. It looks like, what are they doing? Yeah, they're trying to climb that tree. Wow. All right, let's see. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H are all trying to climb up the coconut tree. And I and J and tag along K all on their way up the coconut tree. Chicka chicka boom boom. Will there be enough room? Look who's coming. L, M, N, O, P. Oh, wow. All the letters are coming up the coconut tree. Could there be a party going on the tree? Let's see. And Q, R, S, and T, U, V. Oh, you're right. That tree is starting to bend a little bit. All right. Well, no harm. Let's see what else is going on. Because now everybody's up there, up to V. Still more W and X, Y, Z. The whole alphabet up the... Oh no. Why would the author say, oh no? What do you think is going on with the tree? I see W, X, Y, and I see Z. But what's happening with that coconut tree? You're right. It's bending. I don't know. So Sue said it might fall. Timmy said it's gonna break in half. Well, let's see. Chicka, chicka, boom, boom. Oh no. All the letters fell out of the coconut tree. Oh no. What are they going to do? Let's see what happens next. Skid, scat, scoodle, doo, flip, flop, flee. Everybody running to the coconut tree. Mamas and papas and uncles and aunts hug their little dears, then dust their pants. Wow, look at that. All the mamas and papas and aunts come to the rescue. Do you notice something in this book? Yeah, we have a capital Z and a lowercase z, and a capital R, a lowercase r, the capital J, and the lowercase a. You're right. I think you're right, Sam. The capital N's must be the mamas and the daddies, and the aunts and the uncles. All right, let's keep going. Help us up, cried ABC. Everybody wants help. Next from the pileup, skinned knee D and stub toe E and patched up F. Then comes G, all out of breath. Oh boy. H is tangled up with I. J and K are about to cry. L is knotted like a tie. Oh my goodness. They're all tied up. Oh, yes, I see that too, John. Yes, the tree is starting to stand up a little more. Wow. Okay. M is looped, N is stooped, O is twisted, alley-oop, skid, scat, scoodle-doop, flip-flop, flee. Look who's coming. It's Black-Eyed P, QRS, and Loose Tooth T. You see Loose Tooth T and Black-Eyed P? Then UVW, Wiggle Jiggle Free, last to come, XYZ, and the sun goes down on the coconut tree. Yeah, where is that sun? You see that orange sun there? Look at that. Man, look at that coconut tree. It's standing up straight now. Wonder if they're all gonna go to bed. But, chicka, chicka, boom, boom. Look, there's a full moon. Look at our full moon. So it must be nighttime, huh? Yeah. Susan said they might go to sleep, but let's see what happens. A is out of bed, and this is what he said. Dare, double dare, you can't catch me. I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka, chicka, boom, boom. Uh-oh. What's gonna happen next? We don't know. A is out of bed. Look, he's going back up the tree. What do you think? Ah, okay. Stephen said they might start all over again. we don't know. The end. Look, and we've got all our alphabet that climbed up the tree. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now we know our ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? All right, that was great. Chicka, chicka, boom, boom. I love this book too. Yay! All right. Did you all enjoy Chicka, chicka, boom, boom and our story time? I'm so glad. I'll see you soon. All right, so that was an example of what you can do when you're reading a book. It's nice to have props. It's nice to have even puppets if you want to tell a puppet story or something like that. So you have to be very creative when you are teaching online, and make sure that you're engaging the children in open-ended questions. So that means that you're not asking them questions with just a yes or a no. You want them to really answer the questions. Like I was asking them about the letters, I was asking them, what do you think is going to happen next? So you want to ask those who, what, when, why, where, and how questions so that you can keep them engaged. You can actually get them to really understand perhaps the next steps of a story. And also we added in a little bit of letter work there, so learning the letters, capital letters, lowercase letters. So there's all types of interactive and all types of ways to get your learners to talk with you and engage with you, and that's what you want. Alrighty, so I'll see you next time in our next video. So make sure you leave your comments below. What are you doing to engage your children online? This is very important. So leave me your comments below. You can subscribe so you don't miss out on any of some of the other videos that I'm going to be doing. So take care, and I'll see you in the next video.